Welcome to Techno Trend Zone, your go-to source for the latest tech updates. Today, we're diving into some intriguing leaks and rumors about DJI's next action camera, the Osmo Action 6. A mysterious image has surfaced online, sparking speculation that DJI could be gearing up for another major release. But is this the real deal or just an elaborate hoax? Let's break it all down. The leak. A closer look at the mysterious image. A few days ago, a supposed image of the Osmo Action 6 retail packaging started circulating online. At first, we held off on discussing it, hoping that more leaks or confirmations would follow. However, things have been relatively quiet since then, leaving us with nothing but speculation. The image initially surfaced on WeChat before being picked up by a user on X, formerly Twitter, known as @Hakushi. While it strongly resembles the packaging design used for previous Osmo Action models, even Hakushi himself wasn't entirely convinced of its authenticity. This raises an important question. Is this a legitimate leak, or just a well-executed fake? Breaking down the Osmo Action 6 rumors. To provide some context, DJI released the Osmo Action 5 Pro less than 5 months ago, currently available on Amazon for around $348. It was a solid upgrade over the Osmo Action 4, featuring improved video capabilities and durability enhancements. But despite being a relatively new release, rumors are already swirling about a 6th-generation Osmo Action camera. Adding to the speculation, back in December, the FCC, Federal Communications Commission, certified a new DJI model for sale in the United States. This new model, referred to in official documents as the Osmo Action 6, suggests that DJI has been working on its next action cam for some time now. But here's where things get interesting. The leaked photo seems to confirm some expected features but also raises some red flags. Let's analyze the details. What the leaked image reveals. From the image, we can see that the Osmo Action May 6 feature a 1/1.3-inch sensor with a 155 degrees field of view, FOV. This would be in line with what we've seen from previous Osmo Action cameras, but there's a twist. DJI has a habit of printing the aperture details to 1 decimal place on its lens housings. However, in this leaked image, those details are conspicuously missing. This omission has led to speculation that the image might have been tampered with. It's possible that someone edited an existing product image to make it look like a new model. If this is the case, it's a very convincing fake. What the FCC listing confirms. On the more concrete side of things, the FCC filing provides some valuable insights. Here's what we know so far. Model number. The listing references AC006, which aligns with DJI's usual product numbering system. Wireless connectivity. The camera will support Bluetooth 5.1 along with both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi. These are standard features for modern action cameras, allowing for fast transfers and reliable wireless control. Battery options. The documents also reference 2 different battery capacities. 1770 mAh, 1950 mAh. This suggests a couple of possibilities. Multiple variants. There could be a standard Osmo Action 6 and a Pro version with a larger battery. Interchangeable batteries. DJI may be giving users options for extended battery life, similar to what GoPro has done with their Enduro batteries. What this means for the future of the Osmo Action lineup. If the Osmo Action 6 is truly on the horizon, what kind of upgrades can we expect? Based on DJI's recent trends, here are some possible improvements. Better low-light performance. The Osmo Action 5 Pro already improved on this, but a larger sensor or AI-based enhancements could take it further. Enhanced stabilization. DJI's rock-steady stabilization is excellent, but we could see further refinements. Higher frame rates. The potential for 4K at 120 frames per second or even 8K recording isn't out of the question. Improved battery efficiency. A more power-efficient chipset could lead to longer recording times. New smart features. DJI might introduce AI-based framing or auto-editing tools for easier content creation. Final thoughts. Fact or fiction? At this stage, it's tough to say whether the Osmo Action 6 leak is genuine or not. While the FCC listing confirms that a new model exists, the leaked image itself remains suspect. If this turns out to be real, we could be looking at an official announcement from DJI in the coming months. However, if it's a fake, it wouldn't be the first time we've seen a well-crafted hoax fool the internet. What do you think? Now it's your turn. What do you make of this leak? Do you think the Osmo Action 6 is coming soon? Are you excited for a possible Pro version? What features are you hoping to see in DJI's next action camera? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's discuss. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Techno Trend Zone, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.